evaluate integral of 1 by sine x minus a sine x minus b dx. So evaluate this one. We need to evaluate this one. First, you need to must do the process multiply and divide by sine a minus b. I will multiply divide by sine a minus b. Sine a minus b dx whole by sine a minus b. Multiply and divided completely. Now as is, right? Sine x minus a sine x minus b. After write the sine a 1 by sine a minus b outside. 1 by sine a minus b integral of, here small modification, sine of a minus b I will do minus x plus x minus b as it is dx whole by sine of x minus a sine of x minus b. Next, now as it is continue, right? 1 by sine of a minus b integral of, I write x minus b first. Sine of x minus b, take minus common in both, minus of x minus a. This is x minus a, x minus b, x minus a dx whole divided by sine of x minus a sine of x minus b. Now there is equal to 1 by sine of a minus b. Use sine a minus b formula. It is a, it is b. Sine a minus b formula. Integral of sine a means sine x minus b cos x minus a. Write denominator for both terms separately. Sine of x minus a sine of x minus b minus sine a cos b completed. Now cos a sine b, cos of x minus b sine of x minus a whole by same denominator right here also, sine of x minus a sine of x minus b whole dx. Now sine x minus b sine x minus b cancel, sine x minus a sine x minus a cancel. There is equal to 1 by sine a minus b integral of cos by sine cot x minus a minus cos by sine x minus b whole dx. Now there is equal to 1 by sine a minus b integral of cot x minus a formula, log of sine mod sine x minus a minus log of mod sine x minus b. Here x coefficient nothing, though no need of write denominator. Now there is equal to 1 by sine a minus b. It is a sec log x minus log y, log x by y, logarithm of sine x minus a whole by sine x minus b. So whole integral plus c. It is our output.